everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another video, and in this video right here I'm just going to be giving you guys a 2-week update on the Louis Vuitton multi pochette. Okay, so it's been 2 weeks since I did my last video, and I'm just going to let you guys know how I feel about it, if I've been wearing it, you know, do I feel like you should purchase it, if it's something that you're interested in, and most importantly, if I regret purchasing the bag. All right, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. Now before I do, make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you guys like luxury bags as much as I do. Okay, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. Now, I've been wearing this bag every day since I did my review 2 weeks ago, and I've worn it all but 2 days since I've done that video. Okay, now as far as how I've been wearing it, I've mainly been wearing it with either the 2 pochettes or either the mini pochette. So that's how I've been wearing it, and I decide if I'm gonna do 1 or 2 based on how many errands I have to run that day or what I have to do that day. But as I told you guys in my first video, this little small pochette can fit everything you need in terms of like a card holder or a little small wallet, your phone, and your keys. So this one right here is pretty much all that you need if you don't have much to do that day. So that's pretty much how I've been wearing it, and I've been wearing it with the strap that comes with it. In terms of the coin purse, I haven't been wearing it with the multi pochette. I've been wearing the coin purse on my Louis Vuitton Neo Noe on the outside of it, and it looks gorgeous wearing it like that. So I just throw my little couple dollar bills in here, throw a few coins in here. So, you know, I mean, you just get a lot of bang for your buck with the multi pochette, and it can be used so many different ways. It's so versatile. You can do so much with it that to me is definitely worth the money. Okay, and I've been wearing this bag every day, and I absolutely love it. Okay, I love it. I have no regrets about purchasing this bag. And at one point I felt like the bag was a little overpriced, but based off of the cost per wear, I think that the price for this bag is pretty fair. One of the reasons why I really love it and it works for me is because I don't work outside of the home, so I do not get dressed up often. 95% of the time I'm very, very casual in how I dress, and you know, my hair is not done up. I wear a hat, I wear some leggings and a t-shirt, and I keep it moving. And the multi pochette is perfect for that because of this strap. It makes it very casual, and you don't feel like you have to be super dressed up when you are wearing it. And that's one thing I love about it. You can pretty much throw it on with everything, and if you want to dress it up, you can definitely dress it up by, you know, getting another strap like I told you guys, or, you know, also using the gold chain that comes with it as well. Now, I have not used that at all, again, because to me that adds a dressy look to it. As far as, you know, getting things in and out of it, it's very easy to get items in and out. You know, just, you know, it's not hard at all. Again, it's still fairly new, so sometimes the zipper, you know, doesn't go as smoothly as it should, but again, it's still new, so that is going to take a little time. But so as far as having any type of regrets, I have zero regrets about this bag. Okay, now if something happened to this bag and I needed to buy it again, I would buy it again. So if you guys have been thinking about buying it, or if you're on the fence about buying it, I would definitely recommend that you go ahead and buy it. If you do have, you know, a casual lifestyle and you just need a easy throw on and go type of bag, I would definitely recommend that you go ahead and purchase it. Okay, so yeah, I don't have anything negative at all to say about it. You know, I know in my last video I was talking about the strap and how it doesn't go with everything, and you know that you can get you another strap, but I've not changed this strap out, not one time, not yet at all. So, you know, it's been working for me. Even if you have like on a colorful t-shirt or something like that, it still works very well with the bag. As far as wear and tear, I mean, again, it's only been 2 weeks, so I don't have any wear and tear or anything like that going on yet, but of course that will happen over time. But again, like I said, no complaints. If you guys are interested in purchasing this bag, you definitely are going to have a hard time getting your hands on it. It's still sold out online. So yeah, you definitely are going to have to, you know, wait. But you can try to purchase this bag like on Poshmark or maybe StockX, you know, but it will be marked up because they are trying to make a profit off of it. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.